What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to another video. Hope you're all doing good. Today is Cscs round 2 at TMP. We're going to be taking the Civic. We're going to be breaking the fresh clutch that just went in. But yeah, I'll get more into that probably in a separate video, but let's get over there.
You got the rich corner over here.
RS, I couldn't get one 2 years ago. 11's bumping though. I drove it. It's fucking
Sick. Crazy. U82. Picnic table.
Bad for any woman that is 6 months pregnant plus in this weather.
Yeah, I'm already sweating. It's hot. What is it? So this is only 26, there's no way. Someone stole my car. That's crazy. Same wheels in it. The OEM RPFs. Oh, since we're here, quick check. Maybe about the same shoes she's always wearing. Why?
We've never had a video with these shoes.
Meet Thomas at the Tech Tent for your drivers meeting. Street modified drivers. Meet Thomas at the Tech Tent for... The wildest ride. Full set, roll down. 69 BMW is struggling with entries all morning, but seems to be improving. Just completely done up this ride. Sound show for us. All right, so let's the number 57 cars. Followed by the 1JZ turbo powered S13 and a 2.0 swap He's a former Cscs licensed server. 2019 at Cscs. This massive car train of 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cars closed off by the Truth Taxi. Let's go!
Everybody just stop talking.
The first place is Cscs second place. Christian Parker third place.
This up for quite some time, and he's got that Nismo front bumper. I think it's actually a real Nismo car. It's got a lot of tricks that's up. The wheel is just Jackie Sharman first, Ruben Rodriguez, Broken in third. Here comes the looks like Sharman's gonna come off.
Lambo's down.
We're down to 12 cars there, Davin. We started from Boca, who's a wicked driver, known for winning the Max Stack. Look at him there, Davin. Hey, we're going to update on the 1, 2, 3. Some change. Look at the car control. Does he have enough power to not drag the BMW? First BMW, look at them go. They're going to have to do a dive-bomb move to get Christian to the final 4 turns. We're going to see what's going to happen. As they're staying on the outside. The top field is tightened up. Coming into the final turns. Christian back up.
Posting the times. Alright, we got EG versus EK. EG's the one closest to us, so the camera can pick up that far. Let's see what we got here. Set her up, brother.
Alright, keep straight. Here we go. At the top end, a nice 1137 to 126 from Kevin Anderson in the Cadillac.
12 flatted thanks to the L5. What kind of money do you need to have to do that to a Porsche?
Right? That's what I was thinking.
Like, it's actually crazy. Yeah, to actually modify it and actually know how to drive it, yeah. It's just a different money. Alright guys, I'm going to wrap it up there. Civic made it. Back in one piece. Don't mind how dirty it is. I haven't got around to washing it yet, but gonna have an update video on it soon. Get into what was wrong with it and what we did to fix everything. So stay tuned for that. Alright guys, I'm gonna go spend some time in the sun. Maybe even out this farmer stand I got. Say hi to the pups before I go. But as always guys, thank you for coming back to watch another video. And I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.